Hey guys, we are in front of the Souq Waqif, the Arabic restaurants area. So we're gonna go all the way down. Yeah. These buildings look like old, but they made recently. The architecture design things, they made it like old stuff. But inside it look nice, believe me. And this is the one of main church, not the church, I think mosque. This country, it's famous, pretty famous place. And yeah, this is my friend Ranatunga, and this is the Corniche area. And you can see all like small buildings. That's West Bay, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, we're gonna go inside, and this is me. Bingo. Yeah, let's go inside, take a look. So actually there is 2-3 entrance, I have no idea. Okay, yeah, we got the middle of the whole building, and here we go. The camera gives me a sign that the battery low. Let's see how far we can take it. Yeah. This is the one of entrance, and you can see all the shops they made like traditional and old way. Yeah. So you guys cannot feel actually it's a nice smell over here, and subways here, there. They are selling some herbal stuff. It's really nice smell. So many shops. And yeah, let's go this way. I can hear some birds. And let's see. Yeah, they are selling pets. Yeah, you can see pets. And look at this. Wow, right? Look at these. Look at these guys. So noisy over here. Look at these. Oh. I don't know what these guys. Looks pretty cool anyway. All the way. Hello. Mana ini Pak? Look at this. God. Birds. 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 Huh? Oh. Okay. Some fish. Turtle. Yeah. Yeah, still we got. Yeah, here we go. Actually, I never been here. Almost 3 years. Look at this. Small but beautiful. See? Okay. Look at these guys. Wonderful, right? Over here. Don't ask me the name. I have no idea. Whoa, this is lion. I'm kidding. You know. There is a nice cup. Let me catch it. Look at the legs. See? Beautiful. Yeah. Birds. Hey, oh, big birds, huh? Still over here. Oh. Look at this. Look. Here. Yeah. And okay, there is a big guy. Look at this. Yeah. And there is a fish tank over here. Yeah. Okay. We are way back to the way. If you remember, this is the place we stop to catch the birds. And yeah, this is one of the big guy. Oh, look at this guy. Look like he likes. Here we go. That's so. Yeah.